Hey crafters, it's Janet with Crafting It Up and Creations coming at you today to share with you some things that I made last week for our Retail Therapy Day. Our Shared Governance Council threw this in honor of Hospital Week and Nurses Week, and so everybody could have kind of like a Pamper Yourself Retail Therapy Day. And so I made sugar scrubs, perfume blends, lava bead jewelry, and even my own poopery, as well as these Epsom salt soaks. Now, Epsom salt itself has been used for so many years just for relaxation and decreasing stress. It's really good for your muscles and your nerves and body aches. And it's especially helpful if you have like a sprain or a strain or even bad bruising. And I paired it with lavender and lemon, which are just like heaven. Lemon itself, of course, is very calming, and lemon is one of those things that's very uplifting, and so those two paired together just make a wonderful scent. Now I'm going to list what I used in the description box down below, as well as go over it with you throughout the video, but I used dried lavender flowers, Epsom salt, doTERRA lavender essential oil, doTERRA lemon essential oil, small jars to put these in. You could definitely use bigger jars if you wanted to use this more as a bath soak instead of a foot soak. You'll need a glass bowl and a nice spatula to mix it all up real well with. And maybe even a measuring cup if you're going to have one of the larger bags of Epsom salt. And then added a little sticker on top with all the little ingredients. And I just felt so official doing that. And it kind of just makes a nice little presentation. Now let's get started with what materials that I've got laid out here. I've got the glass bowl, measuring cup, 2 things of Epsom salt from the Dollar Tree, some dried flower petals. You can get these at Michael's even, or a health food store. I've got my doTERRA lavender and lemon essential oils. And the Epsom salt bags from the Dollar Tree are 16 ounces. So you won't need a measuring cup unless you use like this big bag here from Walmart. And that one was Jim's bag, but I thought I'd bring it out and show, other Epsom salt bags as well. I did make sure to get the all-natural Epsom salt from the Dollar Tree and not, they do have some that is already scented lavender. And it's pretty strong. It's not bad. I would use it. But it was kind of fun using this to incorporate my oils. Now, definitely use the glass bowl because essential oils are potent and they can break down plastics. And then I'm going to just pour that entire bag into the bowl. And I went ahead and made this in 2 separate batches, but you can mix it all together if you'd wanted to. I think it just makes it easier for putting the actual drops of the oil in there and feeling like that they got mixed in well enough. And I just held this over and kind of just had my fingers on them just to kind of break off the little lavender petals. I was so excited to use my own little lavender petals. I'm going to do 15 drops of lavender and 10 drops of the lemon. And that seemed to be a really good combination. You could go up to 20 drops on the lavender. This, for me, was a very good combination. I can still smell both of them really well. And it helps that the little lavender petals still have a good scent to them. And now just drop them in there. And then we're going to just take your spatula and kind of push it into the salt. And I've sped this up so it doesn't look as much like I'm really kneading it, but I really try to work in that essential oil all throughout the Epsom salt. And then these are just little small 4-ounce canning jars. Like I say, you could definitely get larger ones if you wanted to just do a bath soak, especially if you wanted to give this to somebody as a gift. And I spooned them in there. And I thought they come out really cute. I think with the lavender petals in there, I just think it looks so almost exotic in a sense. So I think adding any kind of dried flowers to those is a lot of fun. I even saw dried rose petals at Michael's and was like, oh, I want to get those. So maybe next time I go, I'll get some of those. But this is the finished product. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I want to share my poopery recipe as well, and I'll even do the lava bead jewelry, just if you want to have ideas of different lava bead jewelry that you could do yourself and perfume blends. Maybe I'll do that in one video. I have a lot, so I don't know. We'll see. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are taking care and having a great week. It's been kind of rough for me here lately. I've had some little grieving episode here in the last week. Just a lot of different things going on. But I hope you guys had a wonderful Mother's Day, and I hope you had a chance to get some rest in, and I hope you got a moment to even craft it up. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and have a great day. Bye.